Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft, $2,500 to $30,000? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court would find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. There's a $500 fine to be probated. The state recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution of $14,000 to the complaining witness. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes, Judge.
State is at the plea.
Yes.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be 200 hours of community service restitution, and there's 100 hours in parentheses. Why is that?
Probated.
All right. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
All right, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding you guilty as you applied for deferred adjudication. So here's my question. It says the restitution is $14,000, but it says that she admits to taking between $13,000 and $14,000. Is there any proof of this? Does anybody know that it's $14,000 and not $13,000?
Well, Judge, other than what she's,
And how's
well, I don't think they have an itemization. They're going on her confession. They don't have an itemization. No, they don't.
Well, it takes more than a confession to find somebody guilty. So somebody needs to come up with an itemization from somewhere. You know, if somebody just says they're guilty of something, you need more than that. If somebody's saying they're entering a plea of no contest, you definitely need more than that. So with regards to the restitution amount, there needs to be something presented to the court. So I can figure out, one, is she ever going to be able to pay restitution? And two, what the restitution is. So is there anyone who can get restitution from Walmart? Something to show how much the specific amount is? All right. So then what we'll do is we'll reset this for sentencing once we know the amount, and then I'll make a decision on whether or not I'll follow your agreement. Ms. Ferguson, can you recall this in 45 days for sentencing?